is a very interesting topic for your upcoming prelims examination as well as for NET and other competitive examination where contemporary topics related to computer science are usually asked. So, what are the security challenges that we are facing with the present computing system? Now, some of the people have claimed that the systems or the computers that we are using, these the encryption technologies could be broken by the use of quantum computers. So, what are the challenges that we face? The challenges is in the era of quantum computers, what technology should be brought so that the encryption is not compromised even if quantum computers are used to break those encryption. So, for this, a US technical agency which is known as NIST has been working in 2016 gave an idea of future proof encryption algorithm. Now, under this future proof encryption algorithm, the idea was that the encryptions on the computers would be done in such a way that even a quantum computer would not be able to break that encryption. So for this, the Google version, which is 116, the update that is going to come in August, would release a new concept, which is X25519 Cyber 768. Now, X25519 is basically an algorithm that is used for key arrangement to establish a secure TLS connection, and Cyber 768 is an idea which was brought in NIST, which is the technical agency, as we said, and that talks about post quantum cryptography. Now, the idea here is KEM. This technology is key encapsulation mechanism. Now, this key encapsulation mechanism aims to provide a symmetric encryption. Now, when there is a symmetric encryption, what would happen? Two people are actually establishing a connection, but that connection would be highly confidential, and this confidentiality would be maintained using the symmetric key encryption, and this would be through KEM technology, which is key encapsulation mechanism. So very important topic, a direct question that would come for your examination, and the challenges and the developments in the field of computing science and education we would cover continuously. So stay tuned for more such updates before your exam, and definitely more details available at the links below. Thanks for joining in.